Hello, today I'm sharing a sequence of 3 easy curly updos you can do in 5 minutes. Hello curl friends, this is April with Easy Curly Hairstyles, and I just want to show you this is my before hair, so no perfect curls are needed for these styles. So if you're looking for quick and easy hairstyles that can go from casual to classy, then this video is for you, and I'm going to show you how to do it in all under 5 minutes. And it's a sequence of hairstyles, so that means I'm going to do it in progression. The first look is going to be a half up hairstyle with the spiral bun. Then we're going to transform that into a double bun, and then the last one is a wrapped spiral bun. So let's get started. So the first secret is that I did a 5-minute refresh, and I'll link my video down below of how I do this to really smooth out that frizz and add some shine. So let's do this half up spiral look. So you can see I'm not using any tools, no brushes, no combs. I just use my thumbs right at the top of my ears to gently part the hair, and I'm taking those curl clumps wherever they want to go. Because if you separate the clumps with a comb or a brush, then that's what can create some frizz. So to take a closer look here, all I'm doing is taking that top section and I'm twisting it like a rope and then wrapping it around to make this spiral bun or a donut bun. Then I'm just going to use a couple of bobby pins to pin it in place. And to really make this style look elegant, I just gently pull on the edges of the bun to sort of soften it and make it look a little bit wider. And I'll show you this more when we get to the double bun as well. And look how I put the bobby pins in. The wavy side goes down towards your head, and I don't even open up the bobby pins. The bobby pin already has a slight opening for the perfect fit and the perfect amount of hair. So let's transform that half up spiral bun into this double bun look. Now the bun at the bottom has a tendency to sag. So that's why for this particular one, I'm going to use a hair tie. And I'm going to try to tie it up as high as I can, as close to that top bun, so that they're connected for this beautiful, elegant double bun look. Then I'm going to do the same thing, twisting the hair to make like a rope look to it, and then wrapping it around in a spiral. And here you can see where I'm tugging just a little bit on those edges to widen out the bun and soften it, and then bobby pin it the same way. So the wavy side down and just poking it through at least 3 bobby pins, a few more if you feel that it's a little bit loose, but trying to tuck in those ends. This look can definitely be perfected some more by straightening out that top bun, tucking under the ends, putting some hairspray around the face, around the sides, and even adding some accessories to level it up. The third look is the wrapped bun, or the royal bun as we like to call it. And all I'm going to do is take down the top bun that we created first and using those sections of hair to wrap around the lower bun. And I'm just going to gently part the hair, again just trying not to separate the curl clumps, and no perfect part is needed here as well, no tools, nothing. And all I'm going to do is twist it towards the middle of my head, so twisting it inwards, and then wrapping it around the lower bun and pinning it into place. And you'll see how this comes together. And a closer look of just putting in those bobby pins in, and again this one twisting it towards the center of my head so that both of the twists are twisting inward, and then wrapping it in the opposite direction around the bun, just tucking in those ends and then securing those in place with the bobby pin. So again, those 2 top sections are twisted inward and then wrapped around the bun with a crisscross at the top of it and pinned into place. This also looks gorgeous with some accessories. I'm going to play with some bobby pins here. A hair comb can be tucked into the top or into the side. So I really love that hair accessories can really change a look for any style. It can go from casual to ultra glam, take you to a royal ball, all with just changing up your accessories here. Well, I hope that you discovered that these looks were so quick and simple to do, and that look gorgeous with curly hair, and that no perfect curls were needed. I love curly hairstyles like this, so please check out my playlist for women's hairstyles to find more quick and simple hairstyles for curly hair. Please like and subscribe to support more content like this. It really helps us so much. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.